course.
This is a message from Egypt. I think it contains all the information regarding those who are responsible for exhuming your mother's body.
Don Zazu. Don Zazu. This is the bastard that came to my house looking for his brother. Don Zazu. You exhumed my mother's body and cut off her head. Then your brother Mike had the guts to be screwing my wife right on my matrimonial bed. I see. Their plan is to destroy my family. I will wipe out their entire family. I will not stop there. I will go after their lineage and cut them down. All of them. They want war. War they shall get. War they shall get. Our bastard is Zazu's younger brother. That's the guy he came looking for. I wish I knew this before I killed him. I wouldn't have given him a smooth passage to the other side. I would have made his death more painful. Excruciating. Priest. Boss. It's time for war. I understand the idiot has a wife and a newborn baby in the hospital. Go there. Bring them to me. Yes, boss. Anybody who tries to stop you. Okay, what about the dead body, boss? His corpse. He will send his corpse to his brother Zazu. Dump it in front of his gate. I want him to see his brother's dead body before we go for him. Let's go, my boss.
His number is not available. Are you telling me all this with my husband? I told you that his brother Zazu is already looking for him. I believe that very soon he will find him. Just calm down. She's my husband. Look at your baby. She's so beautiful. Let me have her. Sorry, it's not like this. It's not like this. It was not. Don't worry, just calm down. He will be fine.
That Judah did this.
trying to tell me that it's wartime. If you don't stop him now, he will do more.
What do we do, boss?
The only way to stop that bastard is to kill him. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Let's go inside and strategize. Take the cops inside.
Ici och hysa, ici och hysa, ici och hysa, ici och hysa.
But I've never seen you before. You say my husband's brother asked you to come and pick us up from the hospital.
Yes, ma. Your husband's brother Donzazu asked me to come get you and the baby, so the both of you can come live with us until he gets hold of your husband, Mike.
What are you trying to say? Did anything happen to my husband? Is he in danger?
Oh, no, not like he's in danger. He just got into a fight with some man. The police got involved. They even seized the cell phone. But you have nothing to worry about. Your husband's brother Donzazu has gone to secure his release right now as I'm talking to you.
I can't wait to see my husband. I've been worried about him.
You don't have to worry. You just delivered of a baby. You just need to relax, okay?
He's not aware I've confirmed his involvement in my mother's missing head. I want him dead, and I want my money back. But remember, he is fortified. It means you cannot kill him with a gun. You need to get hold of him and strangle him to death.
Can do the ground goes still. I could hear voices fade by the weight of his will. Eyes turn low when his shadow passes. Even the boat moves slow and fast. He speaks words you must obey. No one can stand the wrath of his anger. Built like iron, mind like flame. Every road bends at his name.
I didn't do anything wrong, sir.
Then who says you did?
Forgive me if I've ever done anything wrong to you, sir.
You are my daughter's private teacher.
Yes, sir.
My daughter is pregnant. Are you responsible for it?
No, sir. No, sir. I've never touched your daughter. Never. But I know who have been doing that, sir.
You know?
Yes, sir.
Who?
I'll tell you everything I know. Everything. They're not just having sex. They're in love, sir. Letters. Numbers. How can I have this? Have it. And I attach priests. Uh, knew I was going to crack it. They must be really smart and intelligent. They are smart and intelligent using numbers and alphabets as their code of communication. Priest, dating your boss's daughter. Concerning, well, none of my business. But I did crack the code. I think you should ask Priest who is responsible for your daughter's pregnancy, sir.
Hey, is Priest responsible for your pregnancy?
Boss, I have them in our hideout.
Priest.
Boss.
In our town. I asked you a question, Priest. In our town.
I am deeply sorry, boss. I love your daughter, boss. And she loves me too, boss. But honestly, I am sorry. I am very sorry, boss. Please, please, boss. Please, boss. Boss. Please, boss. Please, boss. Don't hurt my baby, boss. Please.
Bastard. Bastard!
Boss.
Daddy, please. If you're going to shoot him, you have to shoot me first.
How could you do this, Priest? How could you betray me this way? I picked you up from your village when you had nothing. You were nothing. Your parents had just died as a result of a community clash. I picked you up, took care of you like a father, gave you everything, Priest. This is how you chose to pay me back, by impregnating my teenage daughter, Priest. How could you? You have the guts to stand in front of me and tell me you love my daughter. Are you mad, Priest? You want to die?
No, boss. I'm sorry, boss.
I'm asking you, Priest. Shut up! By doing this, Priest, you have destroyed my daughter's future.
You did not destroy my future, Dad. I love you with all my heart. Everything inside me. And he loves me too, Dad.
money is very retired. My boss is very happy with the information, Mr. Egypt. It was very accurate and helpful.
I am happy that your boss is happy for the information I gave to him. I don't carry second-hand information. I carry first-hand information. Now I want you to go and tell your boss that I'm willing to work with him. That I'm willing to do another job for him.
Well, Mr. Egypt, I am afraid to tell you this. This will certainly be the last time you work for my boss.
Why? Why?
Bastard murdered my brother. We are just trying to figure out how to bury him and avenge his death. And you're not telling me that he kidnapped his wife and the newborn baby?
Yes, boss.
What?
I suggest we start looking for them immediately. Because Kanduji is very ruthless. He may not show pity from that baby from the look of things.
What?
Boss, they just deposited another corpse.
What nonsense? Is my house not a mortuary where they deposit dead bodies?
Yes, boss. Sorry, no, boss. Those boys called your house a mortuary, and they said they'll continue to deposit dead bodies in the mortuary until you release the skull you stole.
Another body at the gate. Really wants to convert my house to a mortuary. How did he even find out about Egypt's involvement in this? He's really getting closer. We have to do something to stop him now. If not, he will kill all of us. Made the arrangement to get the police to come and take these cops out of this place.
Yes, boss.
The bastard is getting closer. My brother's wife, his baby, and even you might be the next body lying in front of this gate. Bastard is getting closer.
Boss, please. Please, boss. Boss, please. Don't hurt us, boss, please.
Daddy, please. We're sorry. Give us your blessings, Dad.
Yes, blessings, boss. Please. I sure will give you my blessing.
Our money is intact. Bodies have been deposited at the mortuary.
Ganduje is not a man you can approach by force. Settle amicably whatever you have with him. If there is anything that belongs to him that is still in your custody, do not hesitate to return it, for he will not stop from dumping the bodies in front of your gates.
Return what belongs to him, how? Am I with his mother's dead body on the head? That bastard called me, threatened to kill my brother's wife and his baby. If I don't bring his mother's head that he's accusing me of, what am I going to do with the mother's head?
There is rumor on the street that you and Egypt exhumed his mother's corpse and cut off her head for a ritual purpose. I also heard from the reliable source that you shot Egypt to have full control of the head, which thereafter gave birth to his betrayer when he recovered. I also knew that Ganduje killed him when he discovered his involvement in that very act. I suggest you return his mother's head and find a way to settle amicably with him.
I'm going to die if I return the head. And I'd rather die standing than to live living, begging another man.
Death is better than living in fear or waking up every morning to see dead bodies lying in front of your gates, let alone seeing your loved ones dying every minute of the day. I know what you're living now is not just life. You are not better than living dead on the streets. Go and return his mother's head. You assumed the wrong corpse and used the wrong head. You know you are my friend. I will always tell you the truth. Do as I have told you if you want to live. Do as I have told you. I will be on my way. Thank you. Do as I have told you. You want to live.
Scanty!
Boss.
Get the boys ready, we are going on a rescue mission.
Yes, boss.
Isi Ohiza, Isi Ohiza, Isi Ohiza. Isi Ohiza, Isi Ohiza, Isi Ohiza, Isi Ohiza. Isi Ohiza, Isi Ohiza, Isi Ohiza, Isi Ohiza, Isi Ohiza.
What was that about?
The boys are from Zazu. 2 of his men are down. We took care of them.
Good work.
Thank you.
I trust you.
Thank you. Boss, with my intel, I gathered the school's Scanty sons attend and the actual time the wife comes to pick him up. If you permit me to suggest, we should kidnap the family and make Scanty bring your mother's head to you. You know, Scanty has worked for Zazu for a very long time and knows so much more about him and where he keeps his valuable. He is the easiest way for us to recover your mother's head.
I see. What will happen to his wife and child if he fails to provide my mother's head?
Boss, Alan Scanty loves his wife so much. He loves his family. This man would do anything to protect them. He's the only way, boss.
If he fails, I'll have 2 nursing mothers and 2 kids that I will bury alongside my mother. That bastard had the guts to lead a squad down here to disturb my peace. I'll teach him a lesson he will never forget. Make it happen. Wait. Move this bastard out of here.
Ganduje is truly not a man you can go against if you're not spiritually, physically, and financially stable for a long-term war. It's too late for me to return his mother's head, and I cannot die because my fellow man killed my brother and dropped few cups in front of my house. I, Don Zazu, cannot go back to the street of poverty because I do not belong there. There must be a way out.
Hey, good afternoon, ma.
Hello, good afternoon.
How you doing? Can you just hop in? Let's go. I'm the cab man.
For real? You are the cab guy?
Yes, you've been calling me.
Why is the number not connecting?
Oh, that's true. I actually ran out of battery. I just switched it on now. So let's.
Are you sure you are the cab guy?
I am. Let me take you guys home. Come on. Cutie, how are you? Say hi to me. How are you?
Say hi to Uncle.
Hi.
Oh, it's smiling. Come in here. Come on. Alright.
Shh. Okay. Just quietly stay on my instruction. Everybody will be fine. I'm taking you out of here and I'm doing this quietly. So if you scream, I blow his head off. Can you stop waiting? I say stop that. I said just be calm.
I swear, no one is here. Please. Look, I will do everything you want me to do. I beg you. Don't hurt my family, please. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Don't. Oh, okay. I will meet him once he sends me the location. No, I'll do everything he wants me to do. I will. Please. I beg you, please. No, I swear. I swear, I won't tell anyone. I won't. Please, don't hurt my family. Hello? 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 Fuck! How did I get to my family? How did I get to?
My boss wants his mother's head back. And that is the only way your family will be returned back to you. If I must advise you as a colleague, do whatever you think necessary to make sure that this happens. I know how I tried to negotiate this deal for you. Make sure that this happens. If you fail the requirements, I am sorry. You may not see your family again.
Please, I'll get it done. I'll provide the head latest tomorrow evening.
No, you do not have until tomorrow. The deal is for this evening. You have until this evening.
Please, don't let anything happen to my family. I'll get it done.
Just get the head, and I promise you, your family will be returned safe and sound. Like I said, it is up to you. You can go.
Boss has been looking for you. He's been trying your number.
Okay, I'll call him later. Is he inside the house?
No, he went out with the boys.
Okay. Call me before you open the gates for him.
Okay, I hope all is well.
All is well.
Boss.
Come back, come back, come back. Take me back to the house.
I will, boss.
Somebody's invading my privacy. Take me back to the house. Move, move, move! secure everywhere, nobody leaves. Secure everywhere, nobody leaves.
Scanty, why did you do this to me? Scanty!
Do you have the head?
Yes.
Let me see.
Close it. Hand it back to me.
I'll hand it to your boss in person and have my family immediately.
I see. Your hands up.
Look for him! Where's Scanty? Get him! Scanty! Scanty! Scanty have killed me! Scanty! Scanty have killed me! Scanty! Scanty! No! Don't kill me! Please, don't kill me!
Boss, are you okay?
Don't kill me! Don't kill me!
What happened to him? What happened to him? I don't know. I said, what happened to him? He just fell down not quite long ago and he was screaming. I don't know. I will blow off your head. What happened to him? What do you mean?
Now that I have your mother's head, can you let my family go now?
Let me see it first.
Today we laid her down to sleep. Even the sky began to weep. Hands full of sand, hearts torn apart. They buried half of me.
Napoleon, release all the captives. Give them 5 million naira each.
Where is the womb that's for me? I think I can't bear it now. Mama, mama, who will call my name like you? Mama.
What about my family? Where is my family?
Enough! What's wrong with you? Tell me, why are you killing people? What is your aim? Am I not old enough to have a man to myself? For crying out loud, this is the 21st century and you don't expect me to keep living in your era, Dad!
Who's there?
Boss, you have some visitors from the village here to see you.
Alright. Tell them I'll be with them shortly.
Okay, boss.
Good morning. How was your sleep?
Fine.
Okay. I'm upstairs.
Chief Nemeka for the great Gamboye.
Welcome to my home. David, welcome to my home. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Let me get you something to drink.
No, you don't have to bother. Your mother was a great woman. Even as a blind woman, she was able to raise you up single-handedly. As we speak now, our corpse is still lying there in the village.
What?
Yes, she's dead. We came here purposely to tell you that you must bury her immediately. Remember what she told us? That her corpse must never be deposited in the mortuary.
My mother is dead.
Yes. But it was a very peaceful transition to the glory of God.
My mother is dead.
Yes. But it was a peaceful transition to the glory of God. Be of good courage.
I had a dream last night. In the dream, my mother passed away. Her corpse was exhumed by some bastards, and they cut off her head for money rituals. Only for me to wake up this morning to the sad news that my mother has passed away. Just as she instructed. She will be buried immediately, and our grave will be well secured, well protected. Something is telling me that those bastards I saw in my dream who exhumed my mother's body and cut off her head, they'll try the same thing in real life. But this time it will be different, because I am no longer in prison. The great Ganduje is here, live and direct. For them to try something like that and be successful, they have to pass through me. What's wrong?
They just told me that some unknown gunmen came to your mother's house, started shooting and killing people. Ichie Mba and Ichie Obiora were killed because they were trying to stop them from killing more people. And they took away your mother's corpse. What?
My mother's corpse has been stolen.
Yes.
Oh, now I see. Now I see. It wasn't just a dream. That was a revelation. Warning me of things that are going to happen. Oh, I see. The great Ganduje has declared war without end.
the ground goes still. Voices fade by the weight of his will. Eyes turn low when his shadow passes. Even the boat moves slow and fast. He speaks words you must obey. No one can stand the wrath of his anger. Built like iron, mind like flame. Every road bends at his name. Charlie.